Hey you guys, welcome back. My name's Sarah and today's video is a power hour and I have my little to-do list of things that I want to tackle within this hour. So I'll go over that with you in just a second, but before we get started, I did want to share that this video is also a collab with my sweet friend Alyssa here on YouTube, and I'm going to go ahead and let her introduce herself.
Hi there, my name is Alyssa and I am so excited to be doing this power hour with my friend Sarah today. Over on my channel, you can normally find cooking, cleaning, and lifestyle content, and I'm also sharing my weight loss journey through weekly vlogs. I hope that after you finish with Sarah's video, you'll come hang out with me for a little bit and make sure to say hi to me in the comments so I can welcome you to my channel personally. Thank you so much, Sarah, for doing this collaboration with me, and I hope to see you guys soon.
So here's my little to-do list. It's not a ton of things, but these are the things that I really wanted to focus on during this hour. I really want to clean the blinds in the kitchen, which I will show y'all why in just a minute. And then I need to catch up on some laundry, water the plants, and then I want to sweep the front and the back porches. So let's go ahead and do this to-do list. So I want to show y'all how disgusting these blinds are and the reason why I want to get these cleaned today. There's so much dust and buildup. They're just right here in front of my kitchen sink, so I guess they just have a lot of like stuff where food and things have splashed up on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these cleaned up real quick. Okay, you guys, those blinds were seriously kicking my rear. I had to step away for a few minutes. I don't know if I'll be able to finish them within the hour because it was literally killing my back so much, like just the tension in my shoulders and my back, and I just had to step away. I don't know if I'll be able to finish them within the hour, but you know what? That is okay. And sometimes you just have to do that. So we'll see. I'm gonna go do a couple other things that aren't as like strenuous on my back, and then I'll try to get back to it within the hour, but if not, that's okay. At least I got one set of blinds done, and then I can do the other ones later. So no, I wasn't able to finish both sets of blinds within my power hour, but that's totally okay. My sweet husband was able to finish the other side for me, so that way I didn't have to strain my back so much, and now I don't have to look at dirty blinds anymore. Alright you guys, well that's it for today's video. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new, and don't forget to check out Alyssa's channel. I will have the link to her channel down below, and until next time, I will see you on the next video. Bye!